Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at a brand new product from Nitecore. Now, for those of you unfamiliar with Nitecore, I think they're best known for their flashlights. I recently unboxed the TM20K, which is an amazing, compact USB Type-C rechargeable flashlight up to 20,000 lumens. I mean, if you're looking for a tactical light that supports quick charging, is built incredibly well, and it's $300, so you get what you pay for, you're going to love this thing. I already do. And then a product like the Blower Baby, I feel like is another one of Nitecore's greatest hits, because while there are many air guns, dust guns on the market that are rechargeable, this one is the most unique because it is literally designed for cleaning mirrorless gear that, like most of the gear that I cover here on the channel, it has proper filters, proper attachments. So unlike other dusting guns that are just for general purpose, this is designed for your camera gear. And I absolutely love this thing. Again, Type-C charging, and of course, you know, the trigger button, it's not as powerful as other dusters on the market, but it is the only one right now that I would trust when it comes to cleaning, again, a camera like my A7R4 or the FX3 I'm filming on. So what is so unique about today? You may have seen it sitting there in the right corner. Nitecore has now put out a battery pack. This is a generic replacement for Sony's NP-FZ100, like you use in the A7R4 right here, my FX3, what else? The A9 1 and 2, the Sony A1, Sony A7S3, and a few APS-C models as well. But what makes this really unique is that it supports Type-C charging on the battery. So 2250 milliamp hours. I'm expecting good runtime from this. And then here on the back, they're letting us know, before we even get it out of the package, that green equals greater than 50%, blue equals less than 50%, and red equals less than 10%. Green equals fully charged when charging it through its Type-C port, and red equals charging. So let's go ahead and get this out of the package. And by the way, this was sent to me for review purposes. I think it is available directly from Nitecore right now for around $45 US. And this may be the FZ100 that many of you have been waiting for. As long as it delivers the runtime that we've come to expect from, you know, true or very good generic replacement batteries for the FZ100, then I think this is going to be a no-brainer, because it's not that much more expensive than a quality generic battery to begin with, which are usually $20 to $30 a piece. But there is that Type-C charging port. So let's go ahead and plug it in right now, and let's just see what it spits out. So let me grab a Type-C charger, which I do have right here. And this is a typical 65-watt laptop charger. So we're going to see how this handles it. And part of what I love that they're doing, so you can see it's coming up as red, which means, again, they give you that scale right there. Red is less than 10%, blue less than 50, green greater than 50. So it's flashing. And as you recall, once this is a solid green, that means that charging is complete. Until then, we're in a charging phase. And it's really that simple. So for those of you saying, why would anyone even care about a battery like this? Well, think about it. You're traveling, and maybe you have a dedicated battery charger for you know, your gear in general, I should say, because I've covered some modular batteries that are really interesting. But in spite of all of that, it doesn't mean that all of your batteries can get charged at the same time. However, most of us still have a Type-C charger ready to go somewhere with us when we travel, simply because, well, if you own anything other than Apple products, Type-C is the standard these days. And you're going to be able, of course, with just having a random Type-C wall adapter or something coming off your laptop, you're going to be able to charge this up. So I think that this is a design standard that I'd love to see all manufacturers start to adopt, because I think it's kind of brilliant. Whether or not we're going to, I highly doubt it. But as long as Nitecore is making, again, a broad breadth of different generics for basically whatever your camera of choice is with Type-C input, this is a game-changing product, as long as, again, it lives up to expectations for actual performance with the Sony cameras that it's aimed at. But that's pretty much it. I'm going to charge it. I'm going to use it. I'll come back to you for those of you that are interested in how well it performs. But I think Nitecore has really tapped into something here that is quite brilliant. As simple as it is, often those simple things like this end up being some of the most desirable accessories on the market. And again, at $45, this is likely to still go on sale. I think Nitecore is really onto something, just like with their blower baby, and of course, the TM20K monster. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button. And as usual, please feel free to subscribe, and please stay safe. Later.